In this video, I'm going to explain why it is that when you differentiate y equals 3 to the power of x, dy by dx equals 3. It's just simply the number in front of the x when you have 3x to the power of 1. So when you differentiate this, it's really just the number in front of the x. And why is it that when you differentiate a constant, the gradient becomes 0? So let's try and understand this graph. If I were to ask you to draw y equals 3x, you would draw a graph looking like this: 1 across, 3 up, 1 across, 3 up, 1 across, 3 up. So it will look like this: y equals 3x. You see, if you were standing here or anywhere along this line, what is the gradient if you were standing here? Well, the height is 3, the crosshair is 1, the gradient is always 3 over 1, which is 3. If you're standing here, the gradient would be well, the up and down is 3, the cross is 1, the gradient is 3 over 1, which is why when you differentiate a straight line, it would be the number in front of the x. And why is it that when you differentiate a constant, the gradient is 0? Well, if you look at the graph, y equals 4, so this is your x and y axis, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, y equals 4 looks like this. Well, imagine you're standing here. Are you walking uphill or downhill? Well, there is no gradient because it's flat. So that's why your gradient dy by dx is 0. Here you've got a slope, and the slope is always 3. So in short, when you differentiate this, it's just the number in front of the x, and when it's a constant, there is no gradient. That's why dy by dx equals 0. Okay.